Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Salihusin Sregar. Hello all. In various selection test Western University entrance work or scholarship, you often find the recommend is proficient Master of English, often standard English proficient. The minimum score is test the recommend, of course, or you got a knock in commenting in English, but verbally and written. You often find several standardized English tests, three are TOEFL, IELTS, TOEIC, the three of which are of course different. Do you already know the difference? With English, the soul you take now let's take a dread language. The TOEFL test of English as foreign language. The TOEFL test of English is more likely to your ears at first of prospective international student who want to study in the United States and Canada. So TOEFL tends to speak American English now. The TOEFL is worth with. In the TOEFL test you will be tested to listen and drift in reading. Most of the TOEFL tests you will take are in the form of the TOEFL.itp or institutional testing program. This test is held at certain institutes such language institutes. The scores you get from TOEFL.itp is only valid in certain areas such in the country or is some country in Asia. Before taking the TOEFL test, you usually measure your ability first. In general, the TOEFL is known to have three types based on the medium, each of which has a different score standard. First, the EBT or internet-based test, or you do it via the internet. The duration is about 5 hours with an assessment score ranging from 0-120 seconds. 20 second. 3 is CBT or computer based test, which work through computer score from 3 to 300. The third is the TOEFL PBT or paper based test. This test using the conventional method, namely with a paper duration of 3 hours. Test score ranging from the 110 to 600. This IELTS tends to be British English tests, and IELTS tests are generally from applying to university in European country, New Zealand and Australia. IELTS is jointly administered with the British Council, EDP, as well Australia and Cambridge. There are two versions of IELTS. The first is the academic version for enrolling in well or other academic need, while the second version of the general training version is used for broader purposes, such as working living continuous in the previous country. The maximum score for each exam is 9, and using the paper method for the writing and reading category. TOEIC is of English for international communication. TOEIC will specifically test English language skill that will be asked for two-way communication. The question in TOEIC test will take context of official communication in international relations, such as language in meeting, travel, and conversation. The category tested in TOEIC are reading, listening, speaking, and writing, and the high score is 990, divided into skill group based on the final test result. 10 to 100, 80 no unusable skill, 185 to 150 memory skill, 225 400 basic skill, 405 to 600 basic skill plus, 605 to 780 limit work skill, 785 to 900 work skill, and 905 to 909 international skill. So you already know the difference between TOEFL, TOEIC, and IELTS. Thank you.